April 18, 2026. Pursuit request order. Request si sir. Anim na 16 shots. Magkakasunod sila. Ayan. Single shot na bombshell, 3 inch, blooming flower. Tapos 3 sets ng LF Red Premium. Tapos single shots, blooming flower by LF. Tapos LF Red ulit, 16 shots, tatlo. Tapos single shots ulit na blooming flower. Tapos meron lang pong link for easy transport. Tapos merong backup na slow fuse dito. Tapos Mystic Guardian. Tapos Pillar of Autumn V-shape. Tapos 13 shots ng bombshell. Blooming flower by LF. Tapos meron tayong reverse fuse sa backup fuse. Dalawa. Thank you sir, no more order. Yan. Ready for pickup na po.